In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Zap in Zapier, a fundamental skill that will enhance your productivity by automating tasks between your favorite apps. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Zapier homepage. This is your control center for creating and managing your Zaps. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Create button. It's typically located at the top of the screen. Click on this button and it will allow you to initiate the process of creating your first Zap. Next, proceed to the section labeled Zaps. Clicking this will guide you to a dedicated area where you can manage all your automated workflows. The first part of setting up your Zap involves selecting a trigger. A trigger is an event that starts your Zap. Find the trigger option and click on it. You'll now see a list of apps. For this tutorial, let's select Gmail. Once you've chosen Gmail, the next step is to decide on a specific event that will trigger your automation. Click on Choose an Event and select New Email. This means that whenever a new email arrives in your Gmail inbox, the Zap will be activated. At this point, you'll need to sign into your Gmail account to authorize the connection. Don't worry, Zapier uses industry standard encryption to keep your data safe. After signing in, you can perform a quick test to ensure everything is set up correctly so far. Look for the Test button and click on it. If everything is connected properly, you should see a confirmation message. Now that we've set the trigger, it's time to define the action, the event that occurs in response to the trigger. Click on Action and let's choose Google Drive for this example. Just like before, you'll need to choose an event. In this case, we're going to create a folder. Choose Create Folder from the list of actions available. You'll again need to sign in to your Google Drive account to allow access to your files. After signing in, it's vital to test this action as well to ensure it operates as expected. Click on the Test button and watch for a success message indicating all is functioning properly. With everything tested, the last step is to make your Zap live. Click on the Publish button to activate your Zap, allowing it to run automatically in the background and save you time by automating repetitive tasks. And there you have it, you've just created your first Zap on Zapier. This is a powerful tool to automate tasks and streamline your workflow effortlessly. Remember, the more you use Zapier, the more you'll discover the vast array of possibilities to enhance your daily productivity. Thank you for watching and happy automating.